As discussed in the previous video, let's get into the details of advanced privacy enhancing technologies. Something that help protect your data beyond just storing it on your storage. Protect by the applying alternate way to utilize the data. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy. And today we are going to talk about advanced privacy enhancement technologies and startup roadmap for the PETs as a combination of foundational and advanced. So we discussed about this. Your data is your asset and it can become a big liability if it is breached, if it is misused. It has the potential of shutting down businesses. Privacy has to be built in. Privacy cannot be an afterthought. It has to be there by design into your system. And to do that, the basic encryption PET has to be there wherever you store your data. Very, very basic. But now we are talking of advanced. Federated learning. We spoke about it earlier in our video. Right? It says that instead of collecting all the data centrally and risking the personal information traveling to central server, let me put my training model onto the locations so that they do their analysis over there and get me the results. Differential privacy puts too much of noise on the data so that you can't infer the data until you have the right tools for it. Synthetic data changes the data. It can be read only through the tool through which the synthetic things happen. Zero knowledge proof helps you uh, correlate or talk to a verifier through codes that can interpret whether the data is correct or not. And we are going to get into details of secure multi-party computation and homomorphic encryption in the next couple of videos. So stay tuned for that. They all fit together. When I am storing my collected data on my storage, it has to be encrypted so that it does not go away, does not become useful if it is hacked. As an advanced PET, I should use the data in a way like noise through differential, federated training models, such that I'm using the data but I'm hiding the personal information. Real world adoption examples: Apple uses PETs. It gets information about what predictive languages you are creating on your keyboard. It does not get the information of who is creating that. Google looks into the entire map information to tell you about the traffic. Microsoft does it for their browser. Healthcare organizations do it for detecting disease and cures. And the US government has already used it for creating the sensor information for the elections held in 2020. So in real world, privacy enhancement techniques are being used. As a startup, collect the data, minimum data, do data minimization, encrypt it when you are storing it, mask it and provide pseudonymization till the basic foundational PETs. When you are sending it for analysis, use differential privacy or synthetic data. If you are doing it for AI training models, use federated learning and differential privacy as a combination. Finally, zero knowledge proof for secure collaboration and compliance for the overall environment of PETs. Key takeaways: foundational PETs help you protect your information, protect your data. Advanced PETs ensure safe usage of this information. So you encrypt and keep it safe, anonymize and ensure travel is smooth, but do federated learning to avoid travel itself. Do synthetic data so that what travels is not the real data. Privacy enhancement techniques are not optional, they are critical, and they are how AI and privacy coexist. So you can run your AI models on data segregatedly and combine the results like the differentials and like the federated learnings. So that's about privacy enhancement technologies. You should start small, layer up, build privacy by design systems. And if you like the video, the content, the presentation, subscribe to my channel. A lot more content on privacy already there and a lot more coming up. And share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.